Want a smartwatch but don't know where to start? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. If you're trying to decide between the Apple Watch Series 11 and the Apple Watch Series 10, you're in the right place. We'll break down all the major differences, upgrades, and similarities to help you figure out which Apple Watch is worth your money. Let's get started. Comparative analysis. The Apple Watch Series 11 features an aluminum or titanium case with a thinner, lighter design that's comfortable enough for all-day wear. The Apple Watch Series 10 also comes in aluminum and titanium, offering the same premium build quality and slim profile. Both watches feel nearly identical in hand, with the Series 11 retaining the familiar Apple design. The Apple Watch Series 11 offers a stunning always-on Retina LTPO 3.0 OLED display in 42mm and 46mm sizes with up to 2000 nits of brightness. The Apple Watch Series 10 features the same 42mm and 46mm case options with an identical always-on Retina LTPO 3.0 OLED display. Both deliver sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent outdoor visibility with virtually no noticeable difference. The Apple Watch Series 11 delivers up to 24 hours of battery life while maintaining smooth performance throughout the day. The Apple Watch Series 10 provides up to 18 hours of battery life with equally fluid everyday performance. The biggest advantage of the Series 11 is its longer battery life, while both watches remain fast and responsive. The Apple Watch Series 11 includes advanced health features like ECG, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, temperature sensing, fall detection, workout tracking, and the latest watchOS features. The Apple Watch Series 10 offers nearly the same health and fitness capabilities, including ECG, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and comprehensive workout tracking. Both are packed with premium health tools, with the Series 11 mainly benefiting from newer software enhancements. The Apple Watch Series 11 is powered by Apple's S11 SiP, offering improved efficiency and better AI-powered processing. The Apple Watch Series 10 runs on the S10 SiP, which still delivers excellent speed and smooth navigation. The Series 11 focuses on better efficiency and future-ready performance, while the Series 10 remains exceptionally capable. The Apple Watch Series 11 introduces support for 5G RedCap on cellular models, alongside Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Apple Watch Series 10 supports LTE cellular connectivity, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. The Series 11 brings next-generation cellular technology, while the Series 10 continues to provide reliable connectivity for everyday use. The Apple Watch Series 11 launched in 2025 with a starting price of $399 for the GPS model. The Apple Watch Series 10 launched in 2024 with a starting price of $399 for the GPS model. Both watches share the same starting price, but the Series 10 is now widely available at discounted prices, making it the better value for budget-conscious buyers. The Apple Watch Series 11 is best for users who want Apple's latest smartwatch with improved battery life, newer connectivity, and the newest software experience. The Apple Watch Series 10 is perfect for users who want nearly the same premium Apple Watch experience while spending less. The Series 11 is the better long-term choice, while the Series 10 remains one of the best value premium smartwatches available. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.